Ndewono Umwama. I am so excited to see you again and to have this session today. You're welcome to another special time with Teacher Princess, where we learn Igbo language in a fun and interesting manner. Today, we're going to learn something very interesting. Can you guess? I know you already saw it from the title of the video. We're learning words that begin with the Igbo alphabet B. B. B, that's letter B in English, right? But before we get into today's class, I want you to like, I want you to share, I want you to comment and subscribe. Do all these wonderful things that you know we always enjoy to have you do. Are you ready? Now let's go to class. Ihe mbụ anyị ga-ebu ụzọ amụta taa bụ gịnị? Ihe a, what is this called in Igbo? What is this called in Igbo? Do you know? It's called ball. Ball. Again, ball. So we find out that in Igbo language, the way to talk about the ball is to say ball. Good. Another Igbo word that begins with the B sound is the word carry. And in Igbo, we say carry as buru. Say it with me, buru. Again, buru. So I can say buru ball, carry the ball. Buru ball, carry the ball. Another Igbo word we're going to learn today that begins with the B sound is bia. Bia means come. Now say with me again, let's go. Bia. Again, bia, bia, come. The next one we're going to learn today is another way we can say bia. We can say something like bianso. Again, bianso. And bianso simply means come closer. Come closer. Bianso. Excellent. The next Igbo word we're going to learn that begins with the B sound is biko. What do you think biko means? It means please. Now let's say it again. Biko. Biko. So I can say biko bia, please come. Or I can say biko bianso. That's please come closer. You get that right? Very good. Clap for yourself. You're doing good. The next Igbo word we're going to learn that begins with the B sound is bie oma. To bie oma is to give a hug. So I have my beautiful friend here and I want to bie oma. I can bie oma. Did you see that? Bie oma. Hug. Now say with me again. Bie oma. Again, bie oma. So if you are with your mom right now, I want you to bie nege oma. Go and hug your mom. If you're with your sister or your brother, I want you to bie one nege oma. Again, bie one nege oma. Bie oma to hug. Okay? Well done. The next thing we're going to learn today is bilie. To say bilie is to tell somebody to get up. Bilie means get up. So maybe I'm sitting down and I want to get up, or I'm sleeping and I want to get up. In any way, to bilie is to get up. Now say with me, bilie. Again, bilie. Very good. Good job. The next thing we're going to learn is how to say come in. And in Igbo, we say bata. Again, bata. Again, bata. Bata means come in. The next word we're going to see today is go in. How do we say go in? We say banye. Banye. So that means go in or just enter. Are you ready? Let's say together. Banye. Banye uboala. Remember when we did that? We talked about banye uboala, or we can even say banye ubelu. Enter, go into the airplane. Did you see that? Banye uboala, go into the car or enter the car. Very good. The next thing we're going to learn is how to say take away. And in Igbo, we say bupu. Say with me, bupu. Bupu simply means take away. So for example, I've just used my plate to eat and then I've eaten and I'm done eating and I want someone to take it away. I can say bupu efera. Can you say with me? Bupu efera. Take away the plate. Let's say one more time. Bupu efera. So that means to take away. The next thing we will learn is how to say take in something. Is to buba. Buba. So for example, I take this my plate and I'm done washing it and I want to keep it maybe in the cupboard, in the shelf, or in any place that is kept in my house. I can say buba efera. Buba, or say buba oche, take in the chair. Buba, take in. Do you get that? Have you liked this video? I'm looking at you. Have you shared this video? And have you subscribed to this channel? If you haven't done so, what are you waiting for? Do you want people to miss out on all this amazing goodness where we're learning how to speak Igbo in easy, fun ways? Please share. There is love in sharing, okay? All right. The next word we're going to learn for today, and that will be the final one, is bido. To bido is to begin or to start. Bido, bido, to start. So I want to start dancing, for example. I can say bido bawegu, and I'll just go bido bawegu. You see, bido, bido, bido is to start. To bido is to start. Now I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay, so it's time for our quiz. In this session, I'm going to ask you a few questions by demonstrating, and then I expect you to tell me what that B word is. Kedu na that word or that action? What is it called in Igbo language? Now look at the first one. The first one is this. So I have my teddy bear, and I just what's it called? Did you get it right? It's actually ibioma, bioma, to hug. Say it with me, bioma, hug. What about this one? What's this called in Igbo? Ball. Absolutely correct. Next word is, I have this, and I want to take it away. Maybe I'm done eating, and I tell somebody, what do I say in Igbo? How do I say take it away? Try. Okay, if you said bupu efera, you are correct. So to bupu is to take away the plate. Don't forget that you can always book classes for you to get deeper and detailed expressions in Igbo language. There are many things we teach in class that we can't teach here because we're trying to make our video to not be too long so that it's easy for you to consume. And with this, we have come to the end of today's class. I hope you really had fun. I look forward to see you speaking Igbo and improving. If you want a more robust curriculum and something to really help you grow your Igbo speaking skills, then you need to be in class. Look at the number on your screen and book a session for yourself. And now it's the time we say Kodi na sukwa Igbo, makana Igbo amaka.